We need to view ourselves not as consumers or members of political tribes, but citizens of Earth, this still evolving tangle of old, recycled, sun-powered, and profoundly interdependent dancing parts. There's a teaching attributed to the 18th century Polish Hasidic rabbi Simcha Bunhim that for me, a very lapsed, indeed deeply agnostic Scandinavian Lutheran, carries great wisdom. One should carry 2 slips of paper, one in your left pocket, reading, "I am ashes and dust." The other in the right, reading, "The world was made for me." Both are true. Somewhere between the poles of existential despair and narcissistic self-absorption lies the path that will take us back to the center of the cosmos. But our Holocene snow day is ending now, and no one is going to be waiting for us with a warm supper. It's time to grow up, and with a clear-eyed view of both past and future, resolve to become better ancestors and start making up for so much lost time.